Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tanya and I make content on fun DIY art stuff. So if that's something you're interested in, please consider subscribing, and without any further ado, let's dive into the video. So for today's video, I'm gonna be sharing with you all few DIY ideas that you could make when you are bored. So yeah, without wasting much time, let's dive in. So first DIY is a wall hanging using old bulbs. So for this you will need some old bulbs and acrylic paints. Here I am using colored bulb, but you can also use plain transparent bulbs and paint them with any color of your choice. Now I am simply going to make some random polka dots all over the bulb with different colors. Once that's done, I'll cover the bottom part with black. Now simply take some woolen thread or any thread and tie it around the bulb as shown. Lastly, attach both the pieces together, and that's it. You can decorate this piece in your balcony or room to give that pop of color. Next DIY is this hanging charm. For this you'll need some U-clips, threads and some colorful beads. Now simply attach the U-clip with thread. Once done, start inserting the beads one by one in random patterns. The length of the charm you can decide as per your choice and add beads accordingly. Lastly, I'll tie a knot, and that's it. Here I'm making one more cause why not? It's super easy, super quick and definitely fun to play with different colors. You can hang these to your backpacks, sling bags, or you can also use this as a bookmark. Next DIY is a sock bunny. For this you simply need an old sock. I'll start by placing the sock over a glass and then I'll start pouring rice into it. Now I'll add a rubber band to make the bottom part. Now I'll again put some more rice, but this time I'll make slightly smaller ball to make the upper portion and again secure it with rubber band. Now I'll simply chop off the excess and will make the ears. Now using some hot glue, I'll tightly join both the parts. Once that's done, I'll make its feature using some acrylic colors. Lastly, I'm gonna add a ribbon around its neck and a flower on top, and that's it. How cute is that, right? So the last DIY is this donut brooch. For this, I'll start by rolling out molded clay into circular shape. Now using an X-Acto knife, I'll make a hole in the middle. Once we get the basic structure, I'll add a safety pin to the back and secure it properly using some more clay. Now I'll let it dry for an hour. Once it completely dries, I'll start with rough sketch and then we'll start with the painting. Here I'm using acrylic colors as usual. First I'll paint with the basic colors and then I'll add the detailings. Here I'm making some sprinkles using different colors. Lastly, adding the details on the edges, and that's it. Alright, so that was it for today's video. These are all the DIYs that we made today. Let me know which one is your favorite. I hope you like the video. अगर वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो तो like, share, subscribe, do all the good things that you can. And I'll see you in my next video. Until then, stay positive, stay creative. Bye.